welcome back to a new addition to the cBioPortal tutorial series. And so today we're going to focus on how to make and compare multiple groups. In our last video, we demonstrated how to compare between two groups. So for the example was comparing within one gene, so patients who had TP53 or did not have TP53 mutation. That was the comparison from last video. So in this video, we want to answer the question, how do we compare patients with different mutations? And so as you can see right here, this is a box plot, and you can see there are three groups. One group with ALK mutation, BRAF mutation, and EGFR mutation. So how do we make a graph, a comparison between three different groups across three different mutations? So you can load up your cBioPortal, and we're going to do lung. Select all, looking at non-small cell lung cancer. Okay, and then we're going to hit Explore Studies Type. And so we're going to enter into the bar the mutation that we're looking at. So let's start with EGFR. And this is for all EGFR aberrations, not just L858R or exon 19 deletion. And if you want to do that, then you have to specify specifically the mutations that you want. Going to hit enter, and this is going to load. And you can see these are all the patients with the EGFR mutation. And I'm going to go to the download tab. And we're going to hit copy, alter samples, copied. Going to go back to the original tab. And we're going to hit custom selection. And so from this tab, we hit all altered patients, all altered samples. And we're going to hit paste, copy, paste. And these are all the altered samples, altered EGFR samples that we selected before previously. And we're going to hit filter. So as you can see, these are all the patients that we selected for the EGFR mutation. And you can see, you can verify that there are 1,900 mutations within this 1753 samples. And some patients have multiple EGFR aberrations, such as let's say a driver mutation, also a EGFR amplification. So that's why this number could be greater than the total number of samples. Okay, and now we're going to create this group. And so we're going to name this EGFR. Great. Okay, and now we just got to repeat that 2 more times for the other mutations that we want to take a look at. So I'm just going to go back here. Going to change this. So this is still looking at the whole patient population that we looked at before with all 27 studies. And now we're going to take a look at BRAF. Going to sort. Same thing. Hit copy. Custom selection. Paste. Filter. To verify 424 BRAF mutations. And now we're going to create a new group. This will be BRAF. And we're going to do that one more time for our ALK group. Submit. And copy. Custom. Paste. Filter. Group. Create a new group. This will be our ALK group. And now we have our three groups, and now we can compare. And so in theory, if we want to compare, we should be comparing between patients that are non-overlapping, because some patients may share multiple of these mutations, but we want to see independently how these mutations compare to each other. So you should make a group for each non-overlapping group. Okay. So going to do that again for elk. And last time. Select. And EGFR. So we're going to deselect everything, and we're going to click the groups that we created our own. And now we can take a look and compare between the three groups. In addition, you can compare other characteristics such as TMB and mutation count as well. So that's how to make separate groups depending on mutation. So once again, you load up the studies that you're interested in, and then you sort the mutations that you want, and then from there you copy the author samples, you paste it in custom selection to filter for those patients, and then you create a group based on the filter that you just made. Thank you so much for watching, and more videos to come. Thank you.